This, my friends, is called a Potato Chip Quilt Block pattern. You know, it's really nice. I do love it. And the thing I like about it the most is it's so easy to do. Honestly, it's no half square triangles, nothing like that. All you need to do is cut a 2.5 by 4.5 inch rectangle. And I just refer to it as a little brick, because when you put these together, you can also make a brick wall pattern. But we're doing the potato chip. I Googled this too to say, why is it called a potato chip? And the answer was that apparently it's so much fun to make these little bricks that you can't just stop at one. Well, I was able to control myself. However, I still did enjoy this project. So make a bunch of these little rectangles. You need 32 of them. I've seen some potato chip quilt patterns that are a little wild and all kinds of different things. You can make every little block something different. And in fact, I tried that, but I prefer something that looks a little more uniform and a little more structured and symmetrical. That's just my preference. So this is a really easy thing to build. You start with 2 of your bricks for the center, of course, and then you match 2 on the outside of that. And then at that point, you are just, see, I joined 2 bricks together here because that's going to form the next layer and the next layer. You build out. We started here, then we went to here, then we went here. We're going to keep rotating. We go opposites and opposites. So we keep building this out here. And then pretty soon it's getting bigger and bigger and bigger, right? Well, I've got that piece right here. Once we get to this size, and look, our last pieces were on this side, so now we're going to go here again. At this point, you need 3 bricks to attach together to make that end, and 3 to this end, and then 3 on both of those sides. And then you can probably figure it out. The last row is a strip of 4 of our little bricks. And once you put them on there, that's all there is to it. This, the beautiful potato chip quilt block, I hope you will give it a try. I hope you'll like us and subscribe to us. Subscribe to our YouTube channel. We'd really appreciate that. And happy sewing.